Hey guys, how's it going? Today's gonna be a pretty fun video for me, I guess. See some progress with the snowmobile. So what we got here is the bottom end. So my cases that I ordered, used of course off of eBay, showed up and they look fantastic. Just a little dirty. There's my crank. Got my crank seals. And then I got my water pump seals. I still have to go grab the water pump and shaft and everything. But got to pull out the old seal yet out of these cases. And I'm just spraying them down with some brake parts cleaner, cleaning up getting all the grime off of it, just making it look 100% before it goes into the snowmobile. So I'm going to keep on building and I'll catch back with you in a little bit. Okay, so I got the bottom end rebuilt. I'm waiting on the top end and gaskets yet, but it's pretty straightforward. There's not much to it. I think the hardest part about it is just getting that water pump seal, or both of those seals put in. But I mean it. Yeah, move. Hard to do one-handed, but you get the point. Moves nice and freely. I'm gonna put the stator and flywheel and stuff on, and I'll catch you back when I get that done. Alrighty, so I got the pull start and everything on, and everything on the magneto side is complete. Man, I put a lot of sealant on there. But anyways, piston and gasket set finally showed up, so I can get this engine fully assembled. And the new stoppers or pucks, whatever you want to call it, for the skis came in. But got my little bit of 2-stroke oil in there for some assembly lube, and let's get to building this. Pretty straightforward. Just gonna throw the base gaskets on and then throw pistons on, cylinders, head gasket, and then cylinder heads, and pretty much complete with it. And I can finish off the water pump and put the 2-stroke oil pump on, just dress it up, and then maybe we can get the snowmobile up here and get to putting it in. And just like that, probably 5 minutes later, have the cylinders on. I never had to send these off. I just did a quick hone job. Had some good cross hatching in it. Looked really straight, but they're looking good. Now I just got to torque down the cylinders here. Cylinder bases, I should say. And then I can move with the O-ring head gaskets and getting the heads put back on. So yeah, if you've never built a 2-stroke, there's nothing to them. You can do it literally easy as can be. I think I built my first one when I was like 12 or 13. It's just a simple motor, and engine building in itself is really not that hard to do. Just gotta remember where everything goes and take lots of pictures if you need to. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so this is as far as I could get today. I did not realize it didn't come with any gaskets for the oil pump. There's a gasket that goes in between here and then one on the outside, and then your oil pump gets on. And then there wasn't a O-ring for the water pump cover either. So I'll have to get those two ordered, and then this will be good to throw in. I threw in the intake boots and got that already. I think one of them might be upside down actually. I'll take a closer look at that here in a bit. And got the gaskets and found all the hardware for that, so it's gonna be pretty simple throw it in job. I've been going through clutches, cleaning them up, taking them apart, blowing them out. Not done with the driven clutch here. Driven? I don't know, it's the second clutch. Carburetors are in the ultrasonic cleaner, getting those spotless, just getting everything done while I can and before it snows. And I really hope we do get snow this year, because last year was not very good. But anyways, that'll be it for today's video. Stay tuned for future updates, and hopefully we can get this thing to rip.